Welcome to Hybiz News. This is Monica Rajendran. Maruti Suzuki, the country's largest car maker, will shut down its manufacturing units in Haryana to make oxygen gas available for medical needs, the company said. Suzuki Motor has also decided to shut down its manufacturing unit in Gujarat, Maruti Suzuki added. The company advanced its annual maintenance shutdown to May 1st through May 9th from earlier plan of June, Maruti Suzuki said, while adding that it committed to support government in diverting oxygen for saving lives. As part of the car manufacturing process, Maruti Suzuki uses a small amount of oxygen in its factories, while relatively much larger quantities are used by the manufacturers of components. In the current situation, we believe that all available oxygen should be used to save lives, Maruti Suzuki said in a press release. The company has been informed that Suzuki Motor Gujarat has taken the same decision for its factory. Maruti Suzuki shares traded 0.44% higher at rupees 6,587 after announcing its decision to shut down plants underperforming the Sensex, which was up 1.6%. That's it for now. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.